Welcome back to series on various aspects of knee replacement surgery. In this chapter 3, I'm going to explain you what happens during the day of surgery. I know you're curious to know about it. This is Dr. Nataraj HM, knee and shoulder specialist and orthopedic surgeon. So I'll explain you what happens during day of surgery. On the day of surgery, once you are shifted into the operation theatre, various devices or equipments attached like a chest leads for recording ECG, a BP cuff, a pulse oximeter, so that we can record continuously what or monitor you during your surgery. Anesthesia doctor also puts a IV cannula through which various fluids and injections are given during surgery. Once the anesthesia is done, you are made to lie down on an operating table. We tie something called as a tourniquet cuff around your thigh. This prevents bleeding during the surgery. Then the whole leg, the operated leg, is cleaned with antiseptic solutions by multiple types of solutions, and the whole body is covered with sterile disposable drapes except for the knee. And if your surgeon is using a computer navigation system, he has to arrange his computer navigation system at right place, and he does all the calibrations before he goes ahead with the surgery. This typically takes around 1 to 1.5 hours. From now, the actual surgery starts. The actual surgery involves a cut on the front of your knee to expose your knee joint. All the damaged cartilage is removed, and with the help of navigation system, alignment of the leg is made correct so that your leg is straight. Then the implants are implanted. Once the implants are implanted, the deeper tissues and muscles are closed with some absorbable stitches. For the skin, either a glue can be used or a staples can be used so that the skin is closed. And post surgery, you are shifted to a recovery area for next few hours. After that, you'll be back to your room. Thank you.